Hi, I'm Andy and we are here at AcademX. In this video, I will explain what's involved in a product launch, what you absolutely need to keep in mind, and how you can make your product launch a success in easy steps. Quick heads up. It's normal for a newly launched product to experience losses and not be profitable right away when it's launched on Amazon. To start, it's crucial to improve rankings, then profitability and profits will follow. Here are some main steps to follow when launching a new product. First, analyze the market. If the product you want to launch has not yet been determined, then you should definitely analyze the market before deciding on a product. For this, there are a few tips that can help you make a decision. Tip number 1. Avoid products with many competitors. When there are many competitors for a product, top Amazon rankings are fiercely contested. Especially large competitors with high advertising budget can make life very difficult for you. If you decide to sell a product that has many competitors, then you must offer a better product or a better price than your competitors. When there is no competition for a product, it means that the product is not really popular among customers, so you should avoid these products as well. Tip number 2. Evaluate if seasonal products make sense for your business. The problem with the seasonal products is pretty obvious. You cannot rely on products that you can only sell during Christmas or Easter as a steady source of revenue. However, if this is not your primary goal, seasonal products can be very successful. And number 3 is to avoid restricted product categories. Amazon has very strict rules for certain product categories. In order to avoid being blocked by Amazon, find out in advance which rules apply to your product. Moving on to the second step. Optimize your product listing. You should definitely optimize your product listing before launching your product on Amazon. Learn how to successfully optimize your product listing in our blog article. You will find the link in the bio. Third, direct external traffic to your product. Directing external traffic to your products is especially helpful during a product launch. There are several ways to generate external traffic. Email lists with exclusive discount codes. Another method is paid ads on Facebook or Instagram. You can also use influencer marketing to drive external traffic to your site and generate a gateway to your target audience. For example, you can provide influencers with a discount code to share with their followers. Then step number 4 is to generate reviews. Products that have already been positively reviewed by others seem more trustworthy and give buyers a sense of security. Moreover, positive reviews show Amazon that your product is well received by customers. For this reason, PPC campaigns usually perform much better on products with reviews than on products without reviews. Positive reviews on Amazon are essential for the success of your product. However, getting customers to leave a review is not that easy. What can you do to build a long-term customer base? Create a brand voice that is personable and connects with your target audience. Create social media accounts for your brand and post regularly. Provide a high-quality customer experience and offer guarantees on your products. Make sure you read your customer reviews regularly. If you are receiving more negative comments, either adjust your product or your description. Amazon PPC stands for Amazon Pay Per Click and is a billing model for Amazon's advertisements. The costs are incurred after a click on the advertiser's ad has been made. Amazon merchants who create PPC ads pay for them, as the name suggests, based on the number of clicks on the sponsored product. Therefore, PPC campaigns are an excellent choice for driving traffic to your new products, since it's difficult to get traffic for new products. BidX can help you launch your product the right way. Several options are available in the BidX tool to help you make the most of your product launch. If you wish to temporarily increase bids and budgets, you can use our boost feature and then return to baseline levels. In addition, you can create rules in our tool that increase bids with no impressions are generated. You can also set the intensity of automations in our tool. During a product launch, it can make sense to set dynamic adjustments. In other words, this allows for more sensitive increases in bids as well as stronger increases in the initial period. In addition, BidX customizable dashboard helps you monitor your products closely. You can create a chart in our dashboard for the product you are launching, showing CTR and impressions at a glance. This way you can check if increases are needed or if the product is already performing well. Don't forget to check our website bidx.io and get a free trial now.